Alright, what we got here is a crf250 Honda. What we got is a no start issue. What that entails is that when we put the key in the ignition, let's see if you hear that, the starter's clicking, so it means that we got a no start, battery's dead. We need to check for corrosion on the battery, get the battery out, get it on a charger. This is the battery, this is the tool compartment where you have to open that to get the kit out. And inside the kit you're going to have a couple of Allen keys. I'll show you the two Allen keys. So you're going to see this Allen key is going to be for your fairings, and this one's going to be for the larger bolts on the bike. So we're going to go ahead and get the larger one out, because we got to take this back seat off. Go ahead and break these loose. These aren't held on with that crazy amount of force. Go ahead and take these off. I'm going to make sure to get these little metal washers too. They help keep the plastic component on the seat and the metal in the frame together. Basically keep it help from like the seat just breaking apart while you're riding. That's what I'm guessing they're for. Alright, we got that off. We get the seat off now. You see what I'm talking about? So let's get the plastic fairing. The plastic with the ink ringlet there. Got the spot on the tank for the hook on the seat. Set the seat over here. Alright, we got this one bolt right here for the fairing. Break it loose. Like I said, these aren't crazy tight. Maybe if the guy that's putting yours together maybe torques everything like crazy to spec, maybe then. The guys that's putting these plastics on, they're not going to be torquing these things down crazy. And then you got your battery. Looks like the same deal. It's gonna be your smaller Allen key. I'm gonna break these apart. There you go. Get this one out. Let's go ahead and get this one broke loose. Oh, that one's in there pretty tight. There we go. Show you one that comes out the easiest too. Put that down there with the others. You don't, and you know, you can see which the fairing one's recessed because of the spot on the fairing. These other two bolts, you can see they're flat, or this one's focus. Oh, you can see it. It's got the recess on it. Get this off. See if we got any corrosion. Oh, no corrosion on there. Looks like it's just a Phillips head to get it off. Easy. Oh, we're gonna need to use two hands for this one. Oh, Almost could get the shot. There's the bolt for that. Disconnected. See if we can stick that in. Stick that right there out of the way. And bam, power's disconnected. Take out the bolt, put it down there. Oh, put it down there with the other. Oh, the battery is just sitting in there. What is this? Oh, don't want to scratch the fairing. This is an AH-16. What is that? Indonesian? Or Hindi or something? Put that in the comments and tell me what that is. I don't know what language that is. Doesn't even say. There's a good look at it. YTZ8V. User. Is that a little bit of... I know that's just something sticky. Wonder what that is in there. Doesn't seem to be leaking or have any swelling or anything. Here. Set that down right there. Don't think that I'm setting it down on the ground. I'm setting it down on a wood table, okay? Got a wood table out here. Pulled it from over on the side yard. Didn't have anything else to really set it on. But I don't see. Oh, it's the padding. Okay. There's some padding in there. Maybe the glue seeped onto it when it got hot. Alright then. That pretty much wraps up taking out a battery for this video. I'm gonna make another video where after we charge the battery, reinstalling the battery. So look forward to that one.